This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous chateau, this famous winery of the Bordeaux wine region of France, a classified gross, a Grand Cru Classé of the Saint-Émilion classification, the famous 2012 classification of the wines of Saint-Émilion. We are looking at how to pronounce the name Château Clos de Sarpe. Château Clos de Sarpe, with the typical French pronunciation Château Clos de Sarpe. Château Clos de Sarpe. Do not pronounce the S at the end of Clos. It is silent, as is often the case with the last letters in French. Château Clos de Sarpe. In English or American, Château Clos de Sarpe. Château Clos de Sarpe, Saint-Émilion wine. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. And here is a video about the famous 2012 classification, explaining all the details about it. I hope this video was useful. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.